Hi friends! So today is a subscription box day. I just uploaded my Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin subscription box and I'm way excited about it. But what I'm even more excited about right now is Date Club. I just started this subscription. It's very heavy. Something's rattling around in there, so I hope it's not broken. But what I really want to do is open it up and see what we have for date night. There we go. Okay, are you ready? Okay, this is what it looks like. It just says DATEBOX Club. DATEBOX Club. Ooh. Okay, it says, thank you for trusting us to plan your date night. To get started, open the envelope and all will be revealed. Oh man. Here we go. We've got Truth or Dare Topple Tower. We have a crown. We have camo jelly bellies. We have a candle. This crown thing is kind of broken. That's what was rattling. Wonder if I can fix it. I don't know. Maybe it's supposed to be loose. Okay, I'm going to pull things out one at a time. So here's the crown and this little cup thing. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe that's for taking a shot. I don't know. It doesn't fit in the hole. Oh, it's almost like a little... No, I don't know what it is. I don't want to open the envelope without Dan. Hopefully he'll do date night with me. This is a fruity smelling candle. We have pink camo jelly bellies that support wounded veterans. And it's bubblegum, cherry passion fruit smoothie, coconut cotton candy, black licorice, which Dan will like, and strawberry cheesecake. And then this topple tower. So it's like Jenga, but it has Truth or Dare on each piece. Huh. So each piece says, tell me a secret nobody knows. Remove an article of clothing without your hands. What celebrity couple would you want a double date with? Take another block. Oh, how fun. It says it's guaranteed to make you laugh and blush. And I think I'm already blushing. All right, you guys, if you're interested in the DATEBOX Club, go to or Google DATEBOX and you'll find it. And that's how I found it after I saw it on another channel, which I watch all the time because it's subscription box channel. So anyway, thank you for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care and God bless.